Hi everybody, this is my Newcomb Model EDT-15C record player that is from about 1972, although I'm not sure. I can't find a date stamp on it anywhere. But I thought I'd share this with you guys because I noticed that there are a lot of other posts on YouTube with these record players in them, which I think is kind of cool because I always liked these record players. They kind of remind me of when I was in elementary school. Whenever we would watch film strips and stuff, the teacher would use one of these, to play the audio. So I'm just showing you some details about it. I've had this thing since I was about 5 years old, and it's one of those things that I'll probably never part with. And just to show it in action, I thought I would play a classic song from about the same year that this thing was manufactured, which is Sweet Caroline by Neil Diamond. So a pretty good classic there. Hope you enjoy it.
Where it began, I can't begin to know it, but then I know it's growing strong. Wasn't the spring, and spring became the summer. Who'd have believed you'd come along? Touching hands, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Sweet Caroline, good times never seem so good. I decline to believe there never was, but now I look at the night, and it don't seem so lonely. We fill it up with only two. And when I hurt, burden runs off my shoulders. How can I hurt when holding you? Warm, touching warm, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Sweet Caroline, good times never